should have waited for this quarantine to end and have gone to like a professional. Why did I do that to my hair, to myself? Why does that look like a rat from my basement just chew on my hairs? I think I'm having a mental breakdown right now. Hi guys, it's VEE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am actually going to cut my own fringe bangs. Yes, you heard it right. And Brad Mondo actually inspired me. I've been looking for cutting my bangs for so long, and finally when I saw his video yesterday, I was more inspired. So we're gonna do it today. I'm so nervous. I've never had bangs before in my life, and I actually wanted the front bangs, but my friend said they won't suit me because my face is small and round. So I thought, why not go for fringe bangs, and we're gonna do that today. I've already straightened my hairs because I'm gonna wear my hairs straight, wear my bangs straight. These are my hairs, and I'm so scared. Guys, I've never had bangs before. Okay. First things first, we'll need a comb. I have this one. We'll need some clips, a clutcher or a rubber band. I am using kitchen scissors. I'm sorry, Brad. Let's start. And now I am going to part my hair. So as I saw in his video, he said from the end of your eyebrow, like right here, I'm just gonna take this. I don't know if I'm doing it right, guys. I don't know. That kind of looks good. Should I cut that much here? As he said, you can always add more hair. Okay, so I'm not able to see in this camera, so I'll go to my mirror, part my hairs, and come back right quick. I'm back. I kind of look stupid, but here's how I did my partition. Like, look at that. Kind of looks triangle to me. Okay. So now we're gonna start off with this side because it would be way easier for me to cut this side. I am so scared. I am so scared, guys. But there's no going back. We're doing this. So take this side and wait, no, not like that. Is that okay? Looks okay to me. I made my first cut as well. Okay. A little bit longer than the first cut. That don't do it. Don't do it. That doesn't look different. Wait. I am going to style these hairs and I'll come back. Hey guys, so this is a few days later and I had a little bit change in plans. I followed the complete tutorial for fringe bangs and I actually got like perfectly the first time, but when I showed it to my roommates, they were like, that does not make any difference. And I was like, I was working on it for 2 hours. And after that I decided to cut it short, and as I was cutting it shorter, this happened. Yeah, so the hairs were so short and I actually kind of loved how they looked, so I went for front bangs and now I'm kind of loving the look. Like, I love how it turned out. I love how it looks with my long hairs. This is different. This is something which I haven't had. Yeah, this is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me. I hope you like my content, and if you want more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you want more such videos or what videos you would like to watch in future. I am working on some videos right now. I am also working on my Instagram videos and Instagram posts, so make sure to check that out. I'll have my Instagram in the description box and here if I remembered. And also follow me on TikTok. I'll have that too in the description or somewhere here. Yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I don't know why I did bye, like who does that? Okay, bye.